in a certain area where the energy or the lighting and the ambience is really great, like, let's say a mall, or let's say a hotel, or let's say a gym, or let's say a coffee shop, or let's say a library or a sports stadium or something, or you've been in the outdoors. Now lighting is really good. The moment you come into a room which has got less lights, your energy drops, your state of mind changes and stuff like that. So extremely important is to have a balanced approach towards lighting and stuff. And it's not like you need to go with the trends and everything in the air and stuff. Try and see that, maybe a single composite unit or a single unit can have excellent lighting in it, maybe more bulbs or something, and then you install those, and the room also looks good aesthetically, and is stylish, and your concern about the lighting is solved. So I don't really recommend too many, these furniture paper pieces as well, because firstly, maintenance is a big concern. So when it comes to the furniture and stuff, like I've already shared, multi-purpose ones, and have sofas placed in a manner which is welcoming for prosperity, welcoming to people and stuff. Try and choose fabrics or material which is easy to maintain and all that, and keeping the theme. Basis how how, I mean, how you see it for many years is what's important. If you see that the sofa is going to be used for too much of sitting or too much of reading or too much of lying down or plonking before a TV and stuff, try and use the colors as per that, and the size as per that, where you can, like, really sprawl and stretch and stuff. Okay. So love and lucky, take care, have fun, have a blast. I'm Justin Kapani, the founder CEO of I'm Decor
Head
Design.
toward road number 4.
We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And lastly, remember to place, stuff like coffee and chai and green tea and stuff close to wherever you sit or wherever you lounge in a space, and enjoy these at full, in a fuller manner, in a fuller manner, so you feel good. So this is unedited, just some thoughts on on a Sunday, and looking forward to the Monday. And I'm hoping these tips are going to help you big time, right? So follow me on social media, or my Facebook handle, or my Instagram and stuff, and my YouTube. So more than happy to connect, and we'll be looking forward to, kind of connecting and collaborating, or providing you with our services or our products and stuff like that. They're all available in the form of catalogs and everything on social media, and can be sent to you via email as well. So take care. Bye bye. Oh, yes. And where to reach me? jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani dot im at gmail.com, and justinkapani office at gmail.com. Love and luck. Bye bye. Cheers once again.